I will protect you.
You stand next to me, and I will
defend you.
Stand against me, and I will show no mercy.
I will be forced to crush you with dragon fire.
Well, well, well. Seems we have ourselves a great ball for a great pull.
We got this Pokemon for this one.
Yeah,
Last one on the shelf.
the chosen one. Let's open this shit.
Pull up and hit like a mellow.
For the Blastoise boys. Oh boy, how the fuck do you even grip? Oh, there we go. Oh,
Stickers.
let's see what's inside.
Stickers.
Audio. Take it. One of each. Journey together, Surgeon Sparks, and a Destined Rivals.
Squished to shit, but they arrived nonetheless. The question is which one to open first. And we're live! Time to show these rookies how to pull a god pack.
Back to the Destined Rivals again.
What can I say? I just can't help myself.
Don't stop him.
Somebody knows something. Porygon. Pokéball. Yikes. Nido Trino. Someone help him.
These Pokemon are gonna put me in financial ruin. Oh! On the contrary, perhaps not.
Journey together. On the float goes. Reading, yuck. And just a stupid whale boy. God.
Whale boy. For our last pack, let's see what we get.
Something new, something fresh.
Yes, something that's not destined fucking rival. What can I say? I just can't help myself.
Going nowhere.
Oh, it's going somewhere, all right. Just you see. Just you wait and fucking see.
Jesus.
Come on, baby. Please. No.
Fucking spider.
You betrayed me!